Welcome, my name is Steve with CloudArc, and in this video we will walk you through the process of modifying search layouts in Salesforce. This is useful when you want to control which fields users see in search results, list views, lookup dialogues, and tabs, all of which improve usability and productivity in your Salesforce installation. Now, when you're done learning how to customize search layouts, we've got another video coming up that will show you how to maximize results with Salesforce while reducing your license costs. It also involves a rebate program that allows you to use some of your license dollars that you're currently spending on training and consulting. So wait for that at the end of the video, and please be sure to check that out. Now let's dive in. So first, from anywhere in Salesforce, click the gear icon in the upper right corner and select Setup. This takes you to the Setup home where you can configure objects and layouts. In Setup, type the Object Manager tab at the top of the page. And inside the Object Manager, search for and select the object whose search layout you want to modify. For example, the lead object or contacts, accounts, opportunities, etc. Now, once you're in the object, scroll down and click Search Layouts. Note, in Classic, it may be labeled Search Layouts for Salesforce Classic. Now you'll see a list of search layout types, such as the default layout, the read-only, standard user, system administrator, etc. Click the edit link next to the layout that you want to customize. This brings you to a layout editor, and on the left you'll see available fields, and on the right you'll see selected fields that are already being displayed. Select the fields that you want to add and click the add arrow. Then use the up and down arrows to reorder the fields as needed. Now, once you're satisfied with your field selection and the order, click Save. Now let's take a quick look and verify the update. So go to a tab like Leads or Contacts or Accounts. Use the global search or open a list view. You should now see your custom fields reflected in the updated view, making key data much more accessible and improving the user experience. Congratulations, you've successfully modified a search layout in Salesforce. This simple step can make a big difference for your users and how efficiently they work in the system. Now, we've just scratched the surface today, and on the screen and in the video description, I've included a link to our Salesforce user training playlist. I've also included a 5-minute video that walks you through 3 strategies to improve results and reduce Salesforce costs, including details about a Salesforce license rebate program that allows you to use some of the money from your license investment to spend on training and consulting. So check out that How to Maximize Salesforce video. Spend just a few more minutes of your precious time with us, and we promise to help you take Salesforce to a whole nother level in your company. Finally, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. See you soon.